This is so nice. I can't stop touching my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Venessa The Fiinessa, and guess what? My hair is matted. My hair is tangled, okay? And that's not alright, and I gotta get this together. Like, I can't continue to go about my day with my hair looking like this. It's matted, it's tangled, it's dry. So, if you can already tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to detangle your hair. But before we get into that, why are you not subscribed to my channel? Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you're notified of when I upload and so you can join the Venessa family. So without any more hesitation, because I've been procrastinating on this all morning, let's get into this. So it doesn't look that bad, but it is that bad. So I want to show you the fastest and easiest way to detangle your dry, matted, knotted hair, okay? And I'm gonna do you a favor, and we're only gonna use one product. So let me show you what the one product is. This is African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangling Conditioning Pre Shampoo. That's what she looks like, and she is thick. Like, do you see this? Very much thick. Let's not waste product today though. So the thing that I like most about this product is the fact that you don't need to wet your hair. You don't need to saturate your hair. In fact, you use it on dry hair and it literally will just pull through the tangles. Also, if you watched my last video, my amazing Ulta haul, you'll know that I bought this brush on sale at the Ulta 50% off sale. I think I got it for something around like $8 or whatever, but I'm gonna use this brush. Venessa, you're so extra. I'm gonna use this brush to detangle my hair. There it is. It's a naturally curly detangling brush for 3C to 4C hair types, and I fall within that range. I am a 4C sister. So let's like really get into it. Let me pull up my sleeves. So basically, dang, why did I have to do that? So basically, I've got like product on the side and it's dripping everywhere. This is quickly becoming more messy than I originally intended. Why is more product leaving? I'm not even ready to use it. Anyway, the price point for this product is about $5. I think with this line you can get everything for about $5. I got this at Walmart. My beauty supply doesn't carry it, but most beauty supplies do. So first things first thing I'm gonna do is split my hair into like 4 sections. My hair is so dry. Look at, do you see that? Those are whole tangles. Those are entire tangles. It's not really what I had on the agenda for today, but I guess that is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split my hair in 2. It's not like a clean part or anything. It's what is willing to go where it's willing to go. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working in subsections. Like I said, I'm still not splitting my hair apart. Like you see, I have some single strand knots, and what I usually will do is I'll hold on to it and pull from the bottom so that it separates the knot. So I'm going to be working in small sections. Like I said, you could do this on dry hair, and it honestly kind of reduces breakage. And high-key one of my favorite products. So I'm going to take a whole glob. Stop trying to fall off my hand. I'm just gonna put it on my hair. And every time I use this product, first of all, I have no complaints, but every time I use this product, my hands get all pruny because it's like a moisture bomb for your hair. It's so rich in moisture, if that makes sense, that my hands get all pruny because it's like moisture overload, but for my hands. Fortunately, this is just a pre-shampoo. This is not like a deep conditioner or anything. I use this before I shampoo, obviously. Yeah, I use this before I shampoo. Before this, honestly though, my hair was in cornrows for like a whole month. A whole month they were in cornrows. So basically, I'm just kind of like finger detangling, trying to get out the big knots. You can see them. before I go in with the brush. I don't want the brush to cause any additional damage, and I'm just trying to separate where I can. This product has a ton of slip. Literally, it feels like, it doesn't exactly feel like aloe vera, but that's kind of where we're going. Like if aloe vera had a cousin. This feels like slippery water. I don't know how to explain that. But honestly, this is the fastest and easiest way to detangle your hair. If you have a knot that honestly won't come out, instead of ripping it, try cutting the knot. Try cutting it. This is a lot of hair. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the Tangle Teezer Naturally Curly brush, and I'm gonna brush gently because I know that there's some like single strand knots in there, and I want to brush ever so gently. Can you guys see that? The way how my curls are literally popping. Healthy! So, we love healthy hair. I'm just gonna kind of twist this out of the way because I don't want it to get reabsorbed into everything else, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna move on to the next section and just keep doing that. But my hands are really slippery because of the product, so everything's falling. As I'm using this brush, I'm realizing like what all the hype is about. Actually, I'm not even sure if there's hype surrounding this product, but if there is, I can see why. The bristles of this brush are much longer than the regular Tangle Teezer, and also has short bristles, so it's like detangling your hair as you brush it, because it's like just pulling through the knots by separating them. It's hard to explain, but that's exactly what's happening. And I am not losing as much hair as I usually would after this amount of time without washing my hair. So I went to the doctor recently about my scalp because my scalp is just like flaky, itchy, dry. It has scabs all the time. Don't particularly care for that at all. So like, I just want you guys to see on camera what my scalp is like, and it's been killing me. Okay, so I'm finally done with my hair. I've got movement, honey. This whole process took me about 15 minutes. So, I don't know, like, tell me, do you like it? Do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see the moisture that's in my hair? Okay, curl pattern, is it popping? Yeah, it is. And all you have to do now is cover your hair for like 10 minutes or whatever, and then hop in the shower and wash your hair as usual. What I like about the pre-poo is that it's very light, and obviously it's dissolvable. So when I shampoo my hair, I don't have to shampoo my hair extra time to get this product off of it like you would with a conditioner if you use conditioner to pre-poo. And also, like, this has amazing slip, and like I told you, it has amazing slip. It is very good with moisture. Like, look at my fingers. Fingers are literally pruny. They're literally prune. And it happens every single time I use this product, and I love it. Like, my hair looks great, it feels great. And you know what? I think it's time for you to try some wash and goes. I'm actually really feeling my hair. I'm gonna show you the yeah, I'm really feeling my hair. And I'm going to show you my shed hair that I just took out the brush. This is the amount of hair that I lost, probably as big as my eye. This is the amount of hair. it is what it is. This is from the brush, but honestly, when I detangle my hair after this long, I usually lose a lot more hair. But this is why I love using this product, because it has so much slip. So much slip. And honestly, I would recommend getting this brush if you don't have it already. I'm now going to put this into my natural hair favorites. Right now what I'm using is the Felicia Leatherwood Detangling brush. And they're both, honestly, I think these are both great brushes. If you would like to see a comparison between the two brushes, go ahead and drop that comment down below. I don't know why I'm brushing my hair back. Like I said, I'm just a little bit extra. I'm feeling it right now. But if you want to see me compare the Felicia Leatherwood brush and this Tangle Teezer brush, go ahead and drop a comment down below, because I can definitely do that. And I mean, I'm gonna go wash my hair, but like really just get into it. This is so nice. I can't stop touching my hair. Literally can't. I literally can't. This is this is so nice. Like, let me show you the back. Are we feeling it? I know I'm feeling it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching my video. This is really just the end of it. I'm gonna wash my hair and probably do something else. Don't know what yet, but I'm gonna do something else. Thank you for tuning in, and go ahead and check out my other videos. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe so you can join the Fiinessa family, and click the bell notification down below. I'll see you in the next video.